Least cost method in transportation model. For understanding least cost method, the following problem is considered. Solve the following transportation problem. Minimize the total cost of transportation. Or three origin and four distribution centers are available with that problem. The demand is tabulated as like 70, 35, 45, 60, and the supply with respect to the origins are 70, 47, and 93. The total supply and total demand are equality, that is 210. So, what is the procedure to solve the problem, transportation problem, with the aid of least cost method? First, determine the least cost among all the rows of transportation table. Here, right hand side, there is transportation table available. I compare all the values that are available with that table. Here 14, 56, 48, 27, and in second row 82, 35, 21, 81, and in third row there is 99, 31, 71, 63 are available. According to these values, 14 is the maximum minimum value. So from this determine the least cost. So from the available table value, the 14 is the least cost among all the rows of transportation table. So identify the rows to allocate the maximum feasible quantity corresponding to least cost in the row, then eliminate that row when an allocation is made, which means identify the rows to allocate the maximum feasible quantity. So according to 14, that is identified least cost, here I allocate the maximum feasible quantity with that least cost cell. According to this allocation, in supply column the 70 is available, 70 is converted it into 0, and also in a row, first row there is 70 is converted into 0. After that, the column and row is eliminated from the transportation table, likewise cross lines. So what about the next step? Next step, again I conduct the step 1. Determine the least cost among all the rows of transportation table. The remaining table, which are has 35, 21, 81, 31, 71, 63, among I compared all the values here. 21 is the least cost that is available with the other. Here I allocate 45 because I compare both the values. Supply has 47 and the demand has 45. From this I can allocate 45 with the corresponding cell. So in demand 45 gets 0, and in supply the 47, the balance value is 2 is available. So I eliminate the third column because the demand is 0. Then what about the next step? Yes, I again identify the minimum value that are available with the balance values with the table. Here 35, 81, 31, 63 are available. From this 31 is the minimum value, so that I allocate the resource into that cell. Here allocate 35 it into the 31, that is least cost among all the rows. So the 35 demand gets 0, and then I eliminate that column for further calculations. And then what about the balance supply value is 93, so that I subtracted the 93 with the 35. From this I got 58. Likewise I have some balance supply with that elimination step. After that I identify, here you see the balance 81 and 63 are available. I compare both the things. The least cost is 63, so I allocate the balance supply 58 it into that corresponding cell. So the 60 in demand 58 supply is completed, so in demand there is 60 already available, so 60 minus 58, there is 2 bending of demand is available with that problem. After completing this I can move to next step. I again cross, that is 58 available with that cell. So in row wise also I can subtract 58 minus 58. From this I can get 0, so that zero supply available with this third row. After that I eliminate that row for further calculations. After that the pending balance supply, the 2 is available with that second column, so I allocate the balance 81 as the least cost that is available with the balance table, so that I allocate that 2 it into that least cost row, which is 81. There is I allocate 2 as the resource. From this that 2 get 0, and in column wise also to get 0, so all the elements are eliminated from the table. Likewise we can perform the least cost method calculation for transportation table. What we do, yes, repeat step and step 2 for the reduced transportation table until all the available quantities are distributed to required place. So I conducted this kind of activity. I repeat the step 1 and do step 2 again and again. So if the minimum cost is not unique and the tie can be broken arbitrarily. Likewise, we can complete the problem. Then how do I identify the least cost from the available table? I can consider only the allotted table, allocated table, where the 14, 70, 21, 45, 81, 2 and 31, 75, 63, 58. So I consider only allotted table for identifying the transportation cost. Here you see 70 is the allotted value for the first row and first column, so 70 into 14. After that 45 into 21. After that 2 into 81. After that 35 into 31, then 58 into 63. From this calculation I can get the transportation cost as like rupees 6826. So this is the least cost method procedure for transportation problem. Thank you all.